the climate you live in, the harder to predict the starting of the growing season. It is often happens with, especially with tomato seedlings, that they need to wait a little longer than you would expect, and they overgrew. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a little trick, quick tip, how to deal with overgrown tomato seedlings in your greenhouse. Here I have quite tall tomato seedling, and it would be good to deepen it into the ground, but it's not always possible to dig that deep. So I'm digging the hole like this, a horizontal one, and then I take the seedling out of its container in which it was growing. By the way, do you see the root system? And then I put it like this on the side. I need to water that before I mount the soil over it. So I'm watering it really well. By the way, I didn't water them before planting because it would be easier to pull them out of the container when the soil is dry. And then I just heal the soil over it. And as you can see, it is deepened, and this trick you can perform on a really long tomato seedling, really overgrown. You can stretch it like this. So this was a quick tip on how to deal with overgrown tomato seedlings. My name is Tanya, I'm in my greenhouse, I'm a gardener from Finland. I have some interesting videos on my channel and more to come. So, see ya. Because I have to do something with those buddies near me.